Here we have a gorgeous 2005 Ford Econoline high top handicap wheelchair conversion van, Chariot Olympian conversion, Ricon Slideaway lift. The lift is 3 years old. Beautiful southern van, rust free, accident free, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title all the way. Very, very nice van. Gorgeous two-tone leather inside. TV, DVD, entertainment system, rear power folding sofa, easy lock system, got your tow package. The van is super straight inside and out. The body is nice, no rust. Got your tow package, of course. Rear power folding sofa, which I already said. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We do buy and sell a lot of conversion vans, high top vans, handicap vans. We can ship anywhere in the world. We do accept any type of trade-ins, cars, trucks, boats, motorcycles, real estate, whatever you have. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're located in Boca Raton, Florida. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We are happy to help at any time. Beautiful Chariot conversion. Laser straight down the sides. The paint shows nicely. The paint on the roof is nice. Very nice, clean van. Beautiful two-tone leather interior. We do have extra seats that go with this van. There's 2 extra seats from when the previous owner converted the van to a handicap. We do have those. They do go with the van, so you can use it however you want. It's a beautiful van. The brake light is on because you need that depressed in order to use the wheelchair lift. It is 105,608 miles. 105,608. Gorgeous indirect lighting throughout. Got your power folding sofa, easy lock system, 3-year-old Ricon Slideaway lift. Has a beautiful texture on all the panels on the interior. Looks very nice. These front tires are brand new. The back tires are pretty close to it. Very nice condition. A few little marks on the running boards throughout, just from normal wear and tear. You'll see that throughout the van. Just little bits here and there, nothing really major at all. The paint shows nicely. There's some fading on the pinstriping as well. Couple little scratches here and there, but nothing too big or noticeable. There's a little one here and a little one on the fender as well. But overall, the van shows very beautifully. As you can see, it is rust-free southern van. Got your power rear folding sofa bed. Got all of your window shades are in excellent shape. Got an onboard vacuum. Very nice. The carpet's in nice shape. Shows a little wear for the age, but that's about it. Got your big flat screen TV there. Got your big double din radio with your backup camera and everything set up in there. A very, very, very nice van. As you can see, your gorgeous lighting, storage cabinets, everything throughout, headsets. I mean, this thing is very, very nice van. It's your power sofa with back and forth and up and down. Oh, very nice. It's a Ricon Slideaway lift. You got your easy lock system, all of your extra seat belts and tie down system for your wheelchair. Excellent setup, very easy to use. Again, we do have the extra seats that go in the center here. See, lift's working great. That's how she works. She slides right out of the way, so you can keep this front passenger seat reclined if you would like. Also, the bed goes down all the way, as you can see. Some of these vans, the bed does not go down all the way because the wheelchair lift mechanism is in the way. This one does go down all the way, so you can use it. I'm just tucking this wire in here from the remote. It's a very nice, clean van, as you can see. Beautiful. Inside now, very nice and clean. No weird smells or odors. Super nice inside now. Door panels have nice leather on them. Seats are in good shape. Driver's seat shows a little bit of wear, but overall it's beautiful. Got heated seats, full power obviously as well. You got your doubled in with all your Bluetooth backup camera. This van's fully loaded and ready to go. Does have the original owner's manual, everything that goes with it. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. 954-561-2499. You can call or text. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Thank you.